Hi guys, Instructor Quinn here from Grand State Karate, and in this video, we're going to go over how we made the cloud soap for Experiment Week. This was a huge hit from everyone because it'd be something that you wouldn't really expect from a bar of soap. So a couple things that you'll need. One, you need some kind of plastic plate. I chose to do plastic just because it's easier and I can toss it afterward. Also, you can pick up some ivory soap. I recommend using ivory because this has a lot of oxygen inside of it, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it inside the microwave, and it's going to start expanding, and you're gonna see what happens when it starts to expand, and we'll talk a little bit more about it. So we're using ivory soap. I unwrapped the bar already and have it all set up. All we're gonna do is we're gonna place the unwrapped bar of soap on top of the plate, and then if I pull the camera off here, this is my dishwasher, I'm going to rotate you guys around and bring you over to my microwave. We're going to place the soap in the microwave here on the plate. We're going to shut the door. Don't worry, you'll be able to see what happens when I turn the light on here. I'm going to put it in for about a minute, maybe a minute and 10 seconds. Oops. Ready? So 1, 0. Minute, 10 seconds. All right, ready? I'm gonna click start. Now, what's gonna happen is the heat is gonna cause the soap to expand, and you're gonna start seeing what comes out of the soap here. It's actually really cool. And try to get a good angle on it for you guys here too. All right, so I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's starting to happen. And that's why we call it the cloud experiment, because you put the soap in and all the molecules inside are starting to expand off of the soap. Therefore, it kind of looks like it's making a cloud in your microwave. And we're about 30 seconds in. We have about 27 seconds left here. We're just gonna let it keep forming. We're gonna see how high we can get it. It's overflowing the plate a little bit. That's all right, though. It's only soap. So see how big it's gotten, and we still have 13 seconds left. That's just going to keep expanding and expanding. As long as there's still a bar of soap in there to expand off of, it's going to keep going. 3, 2, 1. There it is. So when I open up the door here, you're going to see what happened to our soap. Turned into a big whirlpool. We're kind of like a cloud, right? Or a mountain of soap. And right there is right here is our original bar of soap. And you can see everything around it just started to expand off of it, right? So now I'm going to turn you back over here to the counter. We're going to place that down. I'm going to put you back on my tripod here. Give me just a second. All right, so now that we have this here, we gotta let it cool down for a second because it was in the microwave, obviously, and we don't want to hurt ourselves here, so we're gonna let it cool off. But the cool thing is, all this stuff here right now is still soap. And what you can do is you can gather it all up. Once it's cool enough, give it a minute to cool. Cools off pretty quick, though. You can start to mush it around like it's Play-Doh or clay, and you can actually form it back in to a square or a bar of soap. So I'm going to flatten it around a little bit. And now it is a little messier than Play-Doh, as you can see, but it's only soap. And there you have it. There's our miniature ball of soap. And that humongous mountain of soap just condensed into this one little cube right here. And we still have a lot of soap left over. Now be careful touching this part. This part is the hottest. That's going to take a while to cool off, okay? But it's really, really soft right now, okay? Woo, and still hot. And then all you got to do after that, wash your hands. Because remember, all it is soap. So your hands are going to be nice and clean after you're done molding it. Take your paper towel, dry off your hands, and there you have it. And that's our expanding cloud soap. Have fun.